Good morning everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sharon, you can call me Sharon. I'm from class 11 accounting 2. Today, I will show you about how to make a terong pedas balado. This is terong hijau. Split into 3 parts, terong muda and add a little salt, then stir by hand. Wait until the oil is hot. Then add the terong muda that has been sprinkled with salt. Let stand until it becomes mushy and golden brown. Wait until 3 minutes. Golden brown like this. Remove when mushy and golden brown. Then fry again until finished. Red chip sambal balado, 5 cayenne pepper, 2 tomatoes, 6 red onion, 3 garlic, little salt, little masako. Wait the oil is hot. And salt the sambal balado, then mix well. Wait until the aroma comes out. Add 1 spoon of sugar, then mix well. Add the fried terong muda and basil leaf, then mix well until mushy. Finish, ready to be served. Thanks for watching this video.